Have you ever met someone who comes up with unusual ideas, questions everything, and notices things that others miss? Being a genius isn't about knowing everything. It's about how you think. Here are a few signs that you might think differently. You ask a lot of questions. Curious people constantly want to understand how things work. You enjoy being alone sometimes. Solitude gives you space to think, create, and reflect. You change your mind when presented with new evidence. Smart thinking means being open to learning. You notice patterns that others overlook. Great thinkers often connect ideas in unique ways. You think deeply about simple things. Small questions can lead to big insights. You admit when you don't know something. True intelligence comes with humility. You love learning, even outside school or work. The most curious minds never stop exploring. Remember, there is no single definition of genius. Intelligence comes in many forms, and the smartest people are often the ones who stay curious and keep learning.